Hello guys, this is C2K and random nip into Poundland, and they've got like their own brand of stuff, for Lego, but Meccano's making a comeback, so they decided to make it called Mech Tech. So if you don't know what Meccano is, it's basically just metal pieces that you bolt and screw together, like Lego, but you can make constructions, or just call it the metal version of Connect. So I've got the bulldozer. What I'm going to do now is let me battery charge, rig this up, and finish this off from the other video, which I already said. If you've seen this video, feel free to watch the other one. Okie dokie, I'll see you back in a sec, guys. I'm back, and after some, constructing and everything, well, losing temper, here it is, the bulldozer. Pretty nifty. Made a few additions like the, that bit, got extras. So there's the instructions. Yep, very complicated. So overall, £4, yeah, decent enough for yet again. Might experiment, try and get a hole through that, make it like a little robot and all. So just in Robot Wars mood. So overall, pretty decent. Give me time to finish that chocolate bar off as well. So some killing time, some decent killing time. So rightio, this is C2K. I shall see you next time. Bye bye.